What's going on, guys? Today we are back and finally we're out wheeling with the 85 and Skylar's rig. The 85 that used to have a 22 RE now has a 3.4, and you can check out that video in the description below. Also, Skylar's truck has gone from the diesel engine to a 22R. Let's go hit the trail. Hey guys, just interrupting the video real quick to remind you to smash that like button. And hey, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. I upload weekly Toyota and off-road content. And back to the video. Woo! And that about wraps up this video. As you can tell, nothing too crazy, but this was a shakedown run for the 85 and Skylar's rig after all. And as you can tell, the 85 was running terribly. We didn't put a diesel motor in it. It shouldn't be rolling coal like it was. But you'll be happy to know that's actually fixed. It's got the proper power it should, and it no longer smokes like crazy. That really just ended up being a simple intake issue. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, we'll see you next week.